Fancy. What is spell something? What's army fatigue? Fancy, honey. Fancy. Okay. They got baby girls wrapped up, okay? Who is cleaning this up afterwards? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. Make sure you press that red subscribe button down below and press the bell so you don't miss a thing your girl posts. Okay, y'all, so this is my first time filming with this as my background and me testing out different lightings and everything. So make sure you guys comment down below, like, if you think the lighting is off, the lighting's good, like, am I cool? Is this a good setting? Like, is this good lighting, or does it need to be brighter, or what have you? Just let me know what y'all think and how, like, the visual is, because I don't have anyone here to tell me, like, how this looks, and I'm not gonna know, like, you know, how good it really looks until I get on the computer and start editing. Okay, so it's been taking me forever to get this video done. I had multiple days this past week that I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do it this day, okay, I'm gonna do it this day, okay, I'm gonna do it this day. However, I told you guys in my last vlog that, like, I've been dealing with some stuff. Like, I got some stuff going on in my body and I'm trying to figure it out, and it's really been taking away my energy. It's been really messing with your girl hardcore, and I promise you guys, I'm gonna tell you guys all about it and what's going on with me. Just not right now, because I'm still figuring some things out. So once everything is settled and figured out, I'll open up to you guys and tell you exactly what's going on. But child, it's been a journey. But if it gets even more rough than it is, then I'll go into more detail with you guys and just make it a series or something until we figure what the heck is going on. Okay? Alright, but until further ado, make sure you thumbs up this video. Thumbs up for your girl. Don't forget, just a click of a button. Thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe too. So this video, you can kind of see by the title, we're doing some unboxing, and I'm gonna figure out if I'm doing some type of try on haul. I don't know, because your girl is just like not feeling it all the way to be doing a try on haul, but I'm gonna see what we can do. Okay, all right, so first we're gonna start off with some sneakers. Let me get the sneakers. All right, so we have the infamous Nike box. So sis got some Nikes, but they're not workout sneakers. Haha, they are not workout sneakers. I've been showing y'all a lot of workout sneakers. These are some cute kicks that I've been trying to get my hands on, that I don't have any kind of sneakers like this, and they're like really trendy right now. Put this on my little table right here. And I'm gonna open this up. Booyah! Sis got her first pair of Donkey Zonks. I got me some Donkey Zonks. I got me some Donkey Zonks. So these are called the Syracuse Dunks. Orange and white. Super, super cute. I got these from StockX. Verified. StockX verified. And if you guys were paying attention to the last vlog, I said I had ordered some stuff. I wanted to order a couple shirts or whatever to be able to go with sneakers that I had coming in. These were the sneakers that I had coming in, and I wanted to order me some stuff to go with them because I didn't have stuff to go with them. I don't think this orange shirt, does this orange shirt go with them? Like, could I wear this with them? Probably not. Probably doing a bit much. Don't mind my braid back here, y'all. I'm getting my hair done tomorrow. Finally. Getting my hair did tomorrow. Nothing special, but y'all will see what that is, of course. Yes. These are the Dunks, and I have another pair of shoes that I need to unbox with you guys that I have not looked at all. These Dunks, I can honestly say that I did open them and took a peek. I didn't try them on or anything yet though, so maybe I should try it on. Let me try it on. Y'all, and I don't be knowing, like, with sneakers and stuff, I don't be knowing like what's hip, like what's the cool sneaks out and stuff like that, or when you should be getting sneaks. I pick out my sneakers based on what I think is cute. So if there are some like cool sneakers out that I don't think, honestly, like I don't think they're cute, then I won't get them. But if I think they're cute, then I'm gonna try to get them, whether they're old, new, whatever. I don't care. Like, if, oh, these not in season, I don't care. Okay, I got my Donkey Donk on, y'all. I'm just stepping in it right now. I know y'all can't see, but I'm gonna show y'all. 2 seconds. Okay, y'all, so this is the Donkey Donk on my foot. It's cute. I feel like they look little. Do y'all think it looks little? Y'all think I got a big foot? These are 7.5 in women, 6 in guys. I think they're super dope. I like them a lot. They're so cute. I feel so hip, y'all. Like, I feel like I'm in with the trends. Okay, so now that I tried the sneaker on, I don't know if I got you guys placed in the same spot or what, because I feel like I was a little more over here. Maybe I was a little more down. Anyways, I'm going to pull out some stuff that I got. So, when I ordered these sneakers, I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't have nothing to go with them. I need to order some stuff, like some cute stuff to go with them. So I went onto Fashion Nova because like they always have a sale and a coupon. And I got 2 shirts that I could possibly wear with them. But like you can't go on Fashion Nova and be like, I'm just gonna order 2 things. Like, I'm gonna order to get the best of my coupon or order to get free shipping. So sis got free shipping. And I got 2 shirts I didn't open up yet. So the first shirt I got is Float Like a Butterfly long sleeve top. I got this in a small. This is the top. Says Float Like a Butterfly, and then it has these cute butterflies on the side. Butterflies on the side. It's giving me good texture, I think it's sort of like oversized. So I think it would be cute with the sneaks as long as I dress it up right. So since there's a lot going on with the shirt, I would need some like plain bottoms. I don't know why I have in my head like some like army green like fatigue type cargo pants, or like some sweatpants or something, and do like real like urban streetish type of style with a fanny pack or crossbody bag. That's what I'm thinking. But I did get this shirt. I mean, you guys can hit me with a yay or nay. Like, if you were like, no, I don't really dig that. Or, like, I can see where you was going with that. Like, I can see you freaking it as long as you style it right. I'm taking honest opinions. And then I got this shirt. Short sleeve Nickelodeon shirt. Just a regular tee. It's giving very much distressed. I don't know if you can tell with the gray there. Like, it's like a little marble type of display. I got this in an extra small because I want it to fit cute. But I think this would be super dope with the sneaks as well. Tee and sneaks. Cute, right? Y'all see? Can y'all see this? Can y'all see this? Let me know when you let me know. And then let me give y'all the same visual with the black. Float like a butterfly with a sneak. Now imagine with like a green cargo pant, a sweatpant, pull up the sweatpant, little light fit white sock, or even black. We could do a lot with this, y'all. Let me know if y'all see the vision. Let me know. Okay, so I'm trying to see, should I save I think I'm gonna save the shoes for last because they're a big ticket item, honey. Definitely a summer essential that I really, really wanted to get this year, so I'm excited about them. But, let me see. I got me some shorts, y'all, and I got me a medium in these shorts because this is getting thick. These are called the Too Proud to Beg denim shorts. In a medium. Called the Light Wash. I guess I'll try these on for you guys and insert a clip for you guys to see them on me. Okay guys, so the medium fits perfect for me. So just to give you like a roundabout of like how they feel. I'm 5'2", 100, and I go between 142 to 144 pounds, so they fit me perfectly. My butt's not hanging out, so they're still very tasteful. I like this little messy kind of look because I think I like plain crop tops in the summer, so I think a plain crop top with this, or even if I pop the color with this, I think it'd be super cute with some sandals or some sneakers. And they're pretty trendy right now, like with the distressed like bleach wash like type of look or whatever. So yeah, They fit really cute. I like how my butt is not hanging out of them because I don't have to only, like, they're not only beach shorts. I do have some shorts that where my butt be hanging out the back, and I don't feel comfortable going everywhere like that. That's me personally. So, and I save them from my beach shorts when I'm wearing a swimsuit or something. But these shorts like cover everything I need to cover, but also still shorts, not Bermuda shorts. Also still very comfortable, and like they're not too tight where they make me uncomfortable, and like they scrunching up in the areas you don't want them to scrunch up in. So yeah, shorts were super cute. Really like them. Then I got called Luxe Touch Bodysuit in a white. I have so many white summer tops. I don't think you can have too many white summer tops because I like my whites to be super fresh, like fresh whites. So it's a regular white bodysuit, and possibly something I could wear with the shorts that I have on. So I will try this on for you guys. Alright guys, so this gives you like that tank top type of vibe, but it's a bodysuit. I really like the material of it. It's very like great stretch. I have no top, so I get everything small up top anyways. And depending on the look that you're going for, I did put cutlets in just to cover up, like, because it does show. It's like see-through. You will be able to see through, so if you don't want all your business out there, might want to get you some little like swabs to like cover up the tatas or whatever. That's what I have in. So depending on what kind of style you're going for, tasteful, distasteful, or you know, whatever you want to call it, you might need something to cover up the tatas. Totally up to you though. Like, don't, you know, depending on where you're going. It's all about the setting and the crowd that you're going to be around. Or I guess up to your preference. If you just care or you do not care. Okay? And then after that, I have two dresses. I have a black one and I have like this mauve color one. I got this mauve color one because I have this purse that I have not been able to wear yet that I want to wear with it. It's just a regular summer dress. And I'm only going to try one of them on, but I'm going to show y'all. So, literally the same dress, but you can never have too many black dresses, especially for the summer. So, it's like little sketty straps, like this in the back. Quality material for sure. Stretchy. Alright, so I got it in black as well. I got them both in a small, and it's called Nothing on You Mini Dress. How's that for a name? Nothing on You Mini Dress. Let me try this on. Alright guys, so this dress definitely fits you like a glove. So definitely true to size, I got a small. And it fits you like a glove. The material, awesome. Quality, like I said, stretch. You definitely want to make sure you wear the right underwear underneath them, because as you can see my panty line for sure. I don't have on the right underwear for these, but I wasn't about to change my underwear. Yeah. So you gotta make sure you have on the right underwear when you wear this dress. And also, depending on what you're going for, you might want to put some cutlets in, depending on the crowd you're going to be around and the place you're going to be going to and what you're trying to attract at the time. Yeah, and the bag I have in the video, that's the bag I wanted to wear with it. It doesn't look as cute on video, but it definitely goes, because this is like a mauve on like the darker pinkish, nudish, brownish side, and the bag is like a pink and a brown. So once I dress it all up, that bag is gonna be super cute with this dress. So even though it might not look like it, it's gonna be cute with it. And I think I would definitely use like the strap part of the bag, not just hold it like a little clutch. Like I would hold it like a crossbody bag. Make sure my hair is cute, have on the right shoes and accessories, and I think that would definitely pop. And like I said, I got this in the black as well. Now, drum roll please. I want to do the unboxing for these shoes. Okay, it'd be so funny if these were not what I think they are, but I know they have to be. So this is the white box. Like I said, this was a summer essential that I definitely wanted to get this year. I can't even open this thing. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay, y'all see it? This is how it's looking right now. This is fancy, honey. Fancy, honey. This is fancy, okay? Who you know? Who you know? This ain't just no regular wrapping tissue paper, y'all. This is like fancy. Fancy. What does spell sound? What's army fatigue? Fancy, honey. Fancy. Okay. They got baby girls wrapped up, okay? Who is cleaning this up afterwards? Okay. Alright. Still unwrapping. It must be Christmas. Hermes. One of them. Okay. This must be the cute little receipt. Yes, the receipt. They did a bit much for the receipt, but I guess presentation. It's all about presentation these days. Okay. This is the cute orange box. It's so small. What if it was a Hermes purse, y'all? It's not. Alright, so I got me some sandals. What? Oh, they're so cute. But I didn't just get like the regular white ones. These ones have like the like dots in them where it has like the H's going around them. You know, just add a little flair. Not the regular Douglas. But yes. Let me take the other one out. 2 dust bags. Yeah. Same, obviously. Let me put it on my foot. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes, honey. Let me put the other one on. Ooh, child. Y'all not getting an up and close look, y'all, because my toes ain't done. Like, I'm about to get them done this week. I had to take the gel off because they started chipping and I can't have chipped toes. And don't be looking at my knees because I got little boy knees. Don't be judging me. Anyways, but yes, they fit really good. I'm a 7.5 in US size. These are 38. And I think they fit really good. Like, it's not, I don't have too much extra space, but I don't think my foot is hanging off. What y'all think? I think it's like perfect. I got a, so like I said, I got a 38. I didn't get a 37.5. I got a 38. Y'all know it's always one foot that's bigger than the other. I think my right foot is bigger than my left foot. Because these, I feel like I have a little more space in the back than the other one, as you guys can tell. Okay, y'all, so that was all my goodies that I wanted to show y'all. So y'all seen my 2 unboxings. Super pumped about my slides and my sneakers. This was like a good one. Like, I love this stuff. I'll definitely be taking my sandals and like these dresses on some trips that I have coming up. And this dunks, I'll probably be wearing those soon. I don't know where, because where am I going? I still feel like I don't have anywhere to go, even though I feel like I'll be busy all the time. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is Sunday right now. I would love to get it out tonight, but I don't think like I have the energy to do that tonight. So you guys are probably going to be seeing this on Monday. Sorry I missed yesterday. I was supposed to put it up yesterday. But this does not count for one of my videos this week. I still will be doing 2 more videos this week. I have no idea what I'll be doing. But if I don't cancel, I have this appointment on Wednesday. If I don't cancel this appointment, I'll be doing an update on that, which I think you guys will be super interested in because it's been a series on it so far. And you guys will know what I'm talking about once I post the video. But I gotta decide if I'm gonna cancel that appointment or not with what I got going on to my body. But yeah. Stay tuned, y'all. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Any comments, questions, concerns, comment down below. Also, let me know what you guys think about this lighting. Was this good lighting or do we need to do better? And y'all know what I always say. Be the light wherever you go, because wherever you go, the light shall follow. Love you guys so much. Bye.